In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your Loom recording time. If you find yourself needing more than just a few minutes to convey your message or information, it's important to know your options with Loom. Let's dive into the details to help you make the most out of your Loom recordings. For those who are using Loom on the starter plan, also known as the free plan, you're currently able to record up to 5 minutes per video. While this is perfect for short updates or quick explanations, it might not be sufficient if you have more extensive content to share or an in-depth presentation to deliver. Now, if you're in the educational sector and have access to the education plan, you're in a better position with a recording capacity of up to 45 minutes. This allows more flexibility and is quite beneficial for teachers or educational content creators who often need more time to thoroughly cover a topic or lecture. However, if you're really looking to eliminate the recording time constraints and enjoy complete freedom, consider upgrading to the business plan. Once you transition to the Business Plus AI, or Enterprise plans, you have the luxury of unlimited recording time. This means you can focus more on delivering quality content without worrying about the clock ticking down. It's particularly advantageous for business presentations, comprehensive training sessions, or detailed demonstrations where time can easily slip away without notice. Upgrading to at least the business plan not only gives you freedom from time limitations, but often comes with other enhanced features and tools that can significantly elevate your recording experience. These could include advanced editing options, better sharing and collaboration capabilities, and even added security measures for your recordings. To get started with upgrading, simply log into your Loom account. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. Here, you'll find all the information you need to upgrade your plan. Follow the prompts, select the plan that best fits your recording needs, and enjoy the seamless recording experience Loom can offer. Remember, the key to making impactful videos is not just the content, but also the freedom to deliver it without constraints. So, whether you're sharing your knowledge, presenting a pitch, or conducting a training session, having the right tools and the right plan in place makes all the difference for you and your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy recording.